उत्तर पूर्व भारत और उत्तर पश्चिम भारत के कुछ हिस्से जैसे कि लद्दाख और एडजॉइनिंग एरियाज। जून महीने की बात करें तो पूरी देश के लिए जून की औसत वर्षा सामान्य से अधिक यानी 108% से अधिक होने का संभावना है। जून 2025 के दौरान देश के अधिकांश भागों में सामान्य से लेकर सामान्य से अधिक मासिक वर्षा होने की संभावना है, सिवाय प्रायद्वीपीय भारत के कुछ दक्षिण भागों, उत्तर पश्चिम भारत के कुछ भागों और पूर्वोत्तर भारत के कुछ खास क्षेत्रों में छोड़कर, जहां सामान्य से नीचे वर्षा होने का संभावना दिखाई दे रहा है। जून 2025 में देश के अधिकांश भागों में सामान्य से लेकर सामान्य से नीचे मासिक अधिकतम तापमान रहने की संभावना है, सिवाय उत्तर पश्चिम भारत और पूर्वोत्तर भारत के कई क्षेत्रों को छोड़कर, जहां सामान्य से अधिक तापमान रहने की संभावना है। देश के अधिकांश भागों में सामान्य से अधिक मासिक न्यूनतम तापमान रहने की संभावना है, सिवाय मध्य भारत और उससे सटे दक्षिण प्रायद्वीप के कुछ भागों को छोड़कर, जहां सामान्य से लेकर सामान्य से नीचे न्यूनतम तापमान रहने का संभावना है। आप थोड़ी से स्क्रीन से बाहर रहेंगे तो हम एक प्रेजेंटेशन देंगे आपको विस्तार से जानकारी देने के लिए। आगे 2-3 कैमरा थोड़ी से साइड में हो जाए तो आसान होगा। चलिए नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। सामने देखकर, हाँ नहीं ठीक है, उन्हें बाहर जो सब, हाँ आप सभी को पता होगा, all of you might be knowing that during the pre-monsoon season, especially in the month of May, there has been very good rainfall activity. As a result, we have at present the above normal rainfall activity during the pre-monsoon season, starting from 1st March till 27th May. In the right hand side diagram, you can see that except northeast India, like Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh and Himachal Pradesh, all other meteorological subdivisions have received above normal or normal rainfall during this period. And you can remember that when we predicted rainfall for May, we informed that month of May will have above normal rainfall activity over the country. So in this diagram we are showing on the left hand side the district wise rainfall distribution from 1st March to 27 March. You can see that most of the districts have normal to excess rainfall activity. Green indicates normal, blue indicates above normal rainfall activity, yellow indicates, red indicates the below normal rainfall activity. So district wise also you can find that there are very few districts in northwest India, and there are some districts in the northeast India which have received below normal rainfall activity. Otherwise most of the districts have received the normal to above normal rainfall activity. On the right hand side, this is the rainfall at the meteorological subdivision level. Unlike the previous year since 2009, so this year monsoon has set in early. Monsoon advanced over Andaman and Nicobar Islands before the normal date. Near Kerala, usually monsoon sets in around 1st June, and this year monsoon reached Kerala on 24th May, about 8 days in advance. After that, there has been rapid advance of monsoon over South India, and yesterday, that is on 26th of May, monsoon has covered up to Mumbai along the west coast. It has covered most parts of the South India except north coastal Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. On the other hand, most parts of northeastern states has been covered by monsoon, and all these advance, say for example Mumbai has been about 2 weeks in advance of the normal date, and over northeastern states is in about 1 week to 10 days in advance. As of today, conditions are favorable for further advance of southeast monsoon into some more parts of Maharashtra, remaining parts of Karnataka, some more parts of Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, some parts of Chhattisgarh and Odisha, remaining parts of northeastern states, and some parts of West Bengal and Sikkim during the next 2 to 3 days. So as a result of good rainfall activity during month of May, the temperature, both maximum temperature you can see, has been below normal in major parts of the country, especially South India, Eastern India, Central India you can see, and minimum temperature has been above normal in many parts and below normal. It is just opposite, because once you have got the cloudy conditions, the minimum temperature becomes higher than the normal. The mean temperature, if you consider, it has become South India and adjoining Central and East India below normal to normal, and remaining parts it has been above normal. Now, if you look at the heat wave conditions, yes, heat wave commenced in the month of March, and we have got eastern part of India and Gujarat, especially the heat wave conditions. In the month of April, it became well spread. Entire north and central India got heat wave conditions, and especially Gujarat and Rajasthan experienced more number of heat wave days above the normal. In the month of May, there are heat wave conditions, but limited only to northwest India, you can say, even up to UP, but it is very limited. Northwest India, especially Rajasthan, experienced continuously the heat wave days for some time, and Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, and Jammu Kashmir also experienced the heat wave conditions. Taking the season as a whole, the heat wave conditions have been over the climatological zone, that is North India and Central India, and frequency is in maximum over Saurashtra, Kutch and Rajasthan, which is above normal. Now, looking at the large scale features, you will find that at present neutral condition of El Nino and southern oscillation is prevailing, and as for the forecast, the neutral condition is likely to continue throughout the monsoon season. Till the end of season, we will have the neutral conditions, and hence there is no negative impact of the El Nino. And most of the models globally, if you just look at, they are of this opinion that, including our monsoon based climate forecast system, that this El Nino and southern oscillation will continue to be in the neutral condition. So, Indian Ocean dipole, which also plays to some extent, but not so much as the El Nino southern oscillations, is at present neutral conditions, and the neutral conditions are expected to continue for quite some time. And there are certain predictions that it could lead to sometimes the negative phase towards the second half of the monsoon season or so. But it is not so much negative. It is very nearby to पीला कलर में दिखाई दे रहा है, पीला रंग से दिखाई दे रहा है, वहाँ बिलो नॉर्मल रेनफॉल होने का संभावना है। तापमान की बात करें, जो हम अधिक वर्षा की पूर्वानुमान कर रहे हैं, तो जो अधिकतम तापमान वो नीचे रहने का संभावना है मेजर पार्ट में, जैसे चित्र में लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में दिखाई दे रहा है। सिर्फ उत्तर पश्चिम भारत और उत्तर पूर्व भारत में तापमान ज़्यादा होने का संभावना है, यानी नॉर्मल से ज़्यादा होने का संभावना है, नहीं तो पूरी देश में बिलो नॉर्मल से नॉर्मल तापमान रहने का संभावना है। अधिकतम तापमान, न्यूनतम तापमान की बात करें, जैसे कि अधिक बारिश होगा तो अधिक क्लाउडीनेस रहेगा, इसलिए न्यूनतम तापमान नॉर्मल से ज़्यादा रहेगा लगभग मेनी पार्ट्स कंट्री का। सिर्फ सेंट्रल इंडिया के कुछ हिस्से और साउथ ने कुछ हिस्से को छोड़कर जो ब्लू और ग्रीन कलर में दिखाई दे रहा है, वहाँ नॉर्मल से बिलो नॉर्मल मिनिमम टेम्परेचर होने का संभावना दिखाई दे रहा है। हीट वेव हम ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं। नॉर्मली जून महीने में नॉर्थ वेस्ट इंडिया और इसके आसपास इलाके में हीट वेव ज़्यादा दिखाई देता है, 2 से 3 दिन हीट वेव नॉर्मली होता है, मगर इस बार नॉर्मल से कम हीट वेव होने का संभावना है, और जो भी होगा नॉर्थ वेस्ट इंडिया में होने का संभावना दिखाई दे रहा है। धन्यवाद। अभी आप प्रश्न कर सकते हैं सेक्रेटरी साहब।
Just last couple of days we are seeing the kind of change in the general conditions which was prevailing. Just to know what are the specific behind it, उसके पीछे का क्या वजह है, क्या इस तरीके का अनएक्सपेक्टेड हम अगर देख सकते हैं।
So, as you told correctly that this year monsoon is advanced so early, 8 days before the long period average date of June 1 in Kerala, and about 15 days or 16 days before in Mumbai. And during last 2 to 3 days, monsoon is advanced rapidly from Kerala to Maharashtra. The reason for this is that it has been a very classical onset and advance of monsoon associated with monsoon vortex. There was development of a low pressure area which became a depression, and it crossed course near Ratnagiri and moved across Maharashtra, and it resulted in increase in monsoonal wind speed over the Arabian Sea, and hence we have the heavy to extreme heavy rainfall activity in different parts starting from Kerala up to Maharashtra, including Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh also. So further, to going little more, if you consider the different components of monsoon, monsoon is characterized by the heat low over Rajasthan and Pakistan. You have got the seasonal trough extending towards North Bay of Bengal from Rajasthan and Pakistan. Then you have got a masculine high over the southern hemisphere, which provides the cross-equatorial winds towards the Arabian Sea. And you have got a tropical easterly jet, a height of about 10 to 12 kilometers. And you have got low-level jet near Somalia. All these parameters, if you just look at, have become favorable. They have already developed. Similarly, the Tibetan high pressure over Tibet, that has also become favorable. So all the monsoon components which are characterized to assess the strength of monsoon has become highly favorable. And looking at the further classical feature, the maiden Julian oscillation was in phase 4, that means was in Bay of Bengal, and hence the convective activity over the region increased in association with these equatorial waves. So in nutshell, the large scale processes, regional processes helped in early onset and advance of monsoon so far. And similar conditions are expected to continue for next 3 to 4 days, and hence further advance is also possible. I am to mention here today that cyclonic circulation is located over northwest Bay of Bengal and nearby west central Bay of Bengal. We are expecting that already it has become a low pressure area. We are expecting that it will become a well-marked low pressure area during the next 24 to 48 hours, and hence it will also invigorate the monsoon current over the Bay of Bengal. So therefore, next 3 to 4 days, we can expect good monsoon conditions.
सर ये नॉर्थ वेस्ट में आपने कहा कि 108% कौन कौन से ऐसे स्टेट हैं जहाँ पर जो रेनफॉल यहाँ पर सिचुएशन
The picture was there, no? June.
You can see this picture. This is
Total.
you are taking June or about season?
June. 108 means season. He was referring about 108. That means it is only
It is June. That is June. I will show you June. This is June rainfall.
Oh.
Talking about the range.
June to September.
Today, we have predicted the rainfall for the cumulative rainfall during June to September, one. Other one is the rainfall during month of June. This figure which is shown here, this is the rainfall for the month of June. It shows that you will have very good rainfall activity over the central part, northern peninsula, even in northwest India, but except certain areas, like some areas in Rajasthan and Gujarat, northeastern states, you see the yellow color. These yellow color zones are the below normal rainfall probability. I will request if you can just little,
yes. In the point BC, in the press release that you have given us, in the point BC, you are saying forecast for monsoon rainfall June to September.
Yes.
Here in northwest, your probability for above normal is 45%. Just see. More than 1
3? What is it? 3? Here.
Probability
Yes, sir. Yes.
So you are saying there is no probability for above normal rains in northwest India, right?
There is, if you look at that table,
3C का पहला वाला चार्ट है।
हाँ 3C का देख रहा हूँ मैं। टेबल का बात कर रहे हैं आप?
टेबल का बात।
हाँ, टेबल में दिया गया कि सामान्य से नीचे 12%,
ठीक है।
और सामान्य 43%,
सामान्य से ऊपर
और सामान्य से ऊपर 45%। ठीक है ना?
सामान्य से ऊपर का चांस ज्यादा होगा ना?
2% ज़्यादा है, ठीक है ना, एज पर द स्टैटिस्टिकल कैटेगोरिकल फोरकास्ट। मगर जब हम डायनेमिकल फोरकास्ट देखते हैं, इसको भी हम, हमारा जो डिसीजन मेकिंग है, इसमें दोनों को हम कंसिडर किए हैं। दोनों कंसिडर करके हम बोल रहे हैं कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया में ये सामान्य वर्षा होगा।
See, apart from that,
सामान्य से कम है।
सामान्य, नॉर्मल रेनफॉल।
just I want to clarify this one. Northwest India, during the June, the actual rainfall is very less. That is in terms of percentage only told. So, suppose if you see Kerala, it is 10 centimeter or 15 centimeter. There even 15 millimeter. So that we have to keep in mind. Maybe next time we have to write in not only anomaly, but also you have to put in actual rainfall. That will be better.
One more aspect is that despite 8 days early onset, you are still saying that it will be above normal. That means the monsoon withdrawal will be capturing, because you will be capturing the data from June 1st to September 30th. And the rainfall in the next, the current 7-8 days, that also won't be reflected.